Welcome to UCAN Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber. I hope you had a great holiday. I hope you had a happy new year. I know I did. We hosted 5 or 6 different fairly large gatherings at our home, and during that time I realized I made my life a lot more difficult than it needed to be. So now I'm going to share with you a mistake I made on something so simple as buying a basket strainer and the drain plug that it has with it. I thought it looked nice, and here it is. It looks really nice and everything, sleek. I like the way it looked. I didn't really think too much about it when I bought it. I just thought, it looks good. I assumed somebody had tested it lots. It's got a locking system. It goes in, it locks into place, which I thought, oh cool, that sounds great. No water will get through. But really, when you think about it, there's no back pressure from your drain. If there is, you've got some other serious problems that you need to deal with. So with this one here, it's rounded. It's got a very tiny lip there. I'm not even sure if you can see it. If there's any grease in there, soap, your fingers just keep popping off and you can't even twist it to get it out. Makes a lot more work for something that should take a split second to do. I would recommend you get rid of these if you have them. Don't buy them if you're gonna buy some. Just go with your traditional type. Nice little stem, little nub at the top, easy to grab, fits right in there. No water is gonna leak past. You can just jam your hand right in there, pop it out. Comes out like nothing every time. Holds the water in there. Make your life a heck of a lot easier than fighting with something that you should never even have to think about again. Anyways, this has been a PSA, we'll call it, from Mark the Plumber. Thank you for watching UCAN Plumbing. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.